Hi guys, what is happening? Travel yeah here. Hope you're all doing well. How are you all? First of all, thank you for the subscriptions, by the way, on the channel. It's awesome. Big shout out to Sonia, Jack, Vic. Yes, Sonia said in our last video about filming the cystic fibrosis 43-mile walk in a day around Surrey. Next year that would be awesome, really cool. Big shout out to that, by the way. Actually, if you are looking for charities to sponsor, obviously in these times that we're in at the moment, charities are suffering, so look, let's get behind them. Let's go and support a charity that means a lot to us, so that would be great. I'm going to take another walk today. So today we are going from Dover up to Whitfield. And basically, I've always done this walk, and there's this might sound sad, but there's a gate. There's this really cool gate that has no like fencing either side. It's just a standalone gate. I always thought if you was a writer, or if you was a poet or something, it would be really cool to write about. To me, it's like a little portal. I've never walked through the gate just because I've always thought, no, that's a bit weird. I can't walk through it. It's strange. But today we are going to walk through that gate. So and for those of you who want to see the route, what I'll do is I'll post the route at the end, so you see the actual circuit we're doing, so at least you can go, oh, I'll give that one a go. Yeah, anyway, back to my walk. So yeah, I forgot to say about where we're actually going. Like you said, we're going to Whitfield, but we're going from Whitfield into Church Whitfield, walking out to a place called Waldershare. So the whole loop's going to be about 5-6 miles. If you do have any walks in the southeast that you do, please comment below, because it's something that would be nice to do, to find out some different routes and what have you. Yeah, so drop the comments, let me know where your favourite walks are. That'd be great. Cheers. Just on this walk as well, guys, there is there's a little North Downs Way sign. If you do see that, there's like a little acorn on it. I don't know if you can see that. So if you are lost or anything like that, just stick to it. Also, which is pretty cool, if you're into gliding, you know, you might be a walker, you might be into fitness, I don't know, but yeah, there is a gliding club just here as well. So you'll see the sign, historic church. Behind me here, there's like a sign, gliding club. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, to be honest. I've not glid. Could you say glid? I've not glid myself. I've not been a keen glider. Never glided. Don't really like heights, to be honest. So I think I just stick to the ground. Feel a bit more comfortable that way. So yeah, I mean, I hope you're enjoying the walk so far. So en route, you'll know if you see this. So we've got an old church here. I don't know when it was built. I'll put in the description. I'll do a bit of investigating, find out when. Oh, bag's too big. We'll find out when the church was made. But it's there's something about an old church which is pretty cool. Obviously, being respectful and what have you. But there's something about, I find, when you look at headstones and you think, you know, kind of, you know, respecting them as well, and you think some of them are only 25 or 24, or, you know, and you see who they left behind, and it's just kind of makes you think, you know, make the most of, just make the most of your life. Go out and do what you want to do, because we're not here forever. So kind of make each moment count, you know. But this is the church here. I just wanted to get this in, like, in the middle of the woods. People obviously just build bases. I'm sure we've all done that. If you have built a base, you would have known about it. Like, as a kid. So, but this is awesome. I would have loved this. Me and my mates love it, but yeah, this isn't mine. This ain't what I've just done, but yeah, it's awesome. You get to see some really cool stuff when you just mooching about in the woods, really. So, done a bit Blair Witchy in here, to be honest with you. But no, it's pretty cool what you find when you're just on your little rambles, you know. Also, strong smell of garlic back there. There's like there must be garlic flowers. I think they're garlic. That sounds stupid, but I think there's like garlic flowers and what have you. So, strong smell of garlic if you are allergic. Don't know if you can catch it through the smell. I'm not sure, but yeah, just really cool woods. Also, by the way, there is the gate coming up. So, first times for everything here. We're going to walk through it. Exciting times, right? This is what happens during COVID. You know, you end up going for a walk and then walking through a gate. That is the excitement there. So yeah, just thought I'd build it up. Don't really think I'm building it up. It's just a gate, but it's not just any gate. So it's kind of my gate. I like it. So yeah, we see the gate. A little bit of history for you now. Really little fun fact. This house here was built for a Sir Henry Furness back in 1702. It was from 1702 to 1715, I believe. Yeah, it's now just some flats, but what crazy flats to live in. They're huge. But yeah, this is Waldershare Park, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So. Just to share some pretty disappointment with you, really. The actual gate is not there, which is really frustrating because it's my favourite gate and I wanted to show you, but for some reason it's either not there, but what they've done is actually put fencing either side of it. So yeah, really annoying, really. Yes, the gate back there weren't there, really disappointing, but we've only gone and stumbled across a little cheeky one here, haven't we? So this, look at this, so it's got no sides, so this gate is just sitting there on its own with no sides. I find that quite exciting, to be honest. I don't know about you might think I'm sad, probably do think I'm sad, to be honest, but ever walked through a gate with no sides before? Just a little bit of wildlife for you, really, guys. Just stumbled across a little pig farm. So if you're a fan of pigs, it does stink, I'm not going to lie, it is awful. But it's just nature, really, isn't it? Just pigs doing their thing. Yeah. They love it. Yeah, Dad is away. He's loving it. Just if you see this green gate, just go through it. So you could, there's a little route back here where I think this fence is here. You can come through. We've just come up this road, but literally you come through here, it gets you off the road. Otherwise you just find yourself just walking along paths all the time. It does your head in, and it's not obviously great for your feet. So to get you onto like softer ground, it's nice. And these woods again are awesome. Like the size of those logs, just chilling out there. Yeah. Just to show you this, guys, we've got like in the woods as well these little fairy gardens, and what you've got is these little doors, little stones, and yeah, pretty cool. If you're like a horror movie fan or anything like that, like this is proper sketchy. Like can't really explain it, can't really show it properly, but it's like this little house hut has been built. It's all interlined. Yeah, like spooky AF if you was out here on your own. Just Sounds sad, glad my old man's here to be honest, but yeah. Never going to guess what. Only another field, just walking kind of back into Whitfield now. But yeah, we're in this field, just in case you're aware, they're broad beans. Just in case you, yeah, just in case you was wondering where I was really. So when you are in Whitfield, yeah, there is a park for the kids as well to go and enjoy. So they spent a bit of money on it up here, so hopefully post-COVID that would be thriving again. Obviously at the moment you are not getting, no one's allowed in, and also we've got a little gym up here as well. So if you're in Whitfield, you want to use a gym. But yeah, I am going to wrap this video up here really, because they're just, otherwise if you want to see more fields. But yeah, I will put all the stats, all the miles and what have you in the description. If you haven't already, as I said, please like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell if you want to see more stuff. But what I want to ask you guys is, what do you want to see next? Would you want to see more walking videos? Do you want to see a town? Do you want to see me go around the town and do a little tour? So I'm missing those videos, to be honest. So yeah, hit me up, drop it in the comments below, and I will respond to all the comments there for you. Yeah, where do you want to send me? Travel yeah. Where do you want to send me next? Let me know, drop a comment below. Thank you for all the love on the videos, thanks for subscribing, and yeah, I hope it's been good. Take it easy guys. See